Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Pikachu dropped. So we're gonna make a video of byeblade vs Metal Fusion. They have two Pegasus, one's yellow, one's red, a gray bay and a purple bay. And on here, two Pegasus, one golden bay and a silver bay. Oh yeah, three Eldragos. Three Eldragos on there. So they have rippers, ripcords, and a stadium. Even they have beyblade tops, 4 of them, which is cool. It shows Jenga and the other person that has a horse bay. But this is kind of cool though, because it shows this and the other stuff when you get a stadium. So right now we're just gonna open this and the beyblade. We're gonna take them out. So look, see, we're taking them out. Two Pegasus. We got a yellow Pegasus, which has been, which is really cool, and a red Pegasus. But this is like a good Pegasus. I like it. Also, they have this gray bay. I don't know what kind of tape it is, but who cares? And this is other bay that does a spin driver, which is cool too. So we're just gonna launch some of these bays. I forgot they had a stadium, ripcords. We're now just gonna try to open the ripcords, and we got that out easy. So let's just put this in here. We're just gonna launch one bay for a test. Let's just do that. Wait, what? Doesn't work? Oh, it worked. It worked, guys. So we're just gonna launch a bay. I'm just gonna launch Pegasus. We're gonna launch Pegasus, guys. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Well, that's kind of cool. I'd rather do the big stadium, but this stadium ready for trips. We're gonna put it in. Launch the yellow Pegasus. So we're just gonna launch it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! This one works. So guys, we finished that Pegasus. We're gonna launch another bay, which is the gray bay. Let's just see this one how it works. Wait, no, pause. That one did not turn out good. I'm launching the gray bay, which shows time. So 3, 2, 1, go! Just like Pegasus. So we finished that bay. We'll just go on another bay. It's this bay. Yeah, we have this it has a good driver. It's purple, but let's again launch this one. This one spins good because it has a good driver and a good tip. I'm not sure we connect this thing. So guys, this is for changing tips. Let's see. You get to put this out. I think it's for this. Yeah, it's for this. The top and this. So guys, these beyblades are really cool. Also guys, make sure to subscribe, press the like button, and bye.